guys, today we'll be making a Play-Doh Tyrannosaurus. So here are the materials that you will have to need. Red Play-Doh, scissors, and a pen. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first you have to morph up the tail, which is on this side. Then put on the arms, like this. And put the legs out. Alright. If you want to do this at home, it's okay. If you have some Play-Doh, you can do it at home. Then fold out the arms and take the scissors and cut it like that. Then put your scissors down and then poke. Dang it, I forgot. Forgot to make it even better. Alright. And final thing, poke 2 little holes for the eyes. And then you're done. Alright. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you later in the next video. Bye.